Hi everyone, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata. The duties of a fourth engineer. So from junior engineer, after doing your sailing as a junior engineer for 6 months, you go give your MEO class for exams, and after that you go maybe as a junior engineer watchkeeper on board ship. Even though you guys junior engineer watchkeeper on ship or as a fourth engineer, if you're lucky in some shipping companies, they send you a junior engineer watchkeeper, but you are actually fourth engineer. You're responsible at that time, right? So let's talk about कि आपकी challenges क्या हैं और आपकी duties क्या हैं. But before going that, I want to share just one thing with you. I remember when I went on my first ship as fourth year, there were a lot of tensions क्योंकि junior engineer में I had not learnt much, and whatever I had learnt with my second year. So in my company at that time, second year was looking after purifiers, main engines. So I was working a lot on that, but I had never worked on generators because my fourth year and I were not at good terms. So when I went as a fourth year, I did not know literally anything on generator, and at that time I was so laid back. I never thought कि यार मैं अपने पैसों से कोर्स करके let me go and do a generator course. Today you have got auxiliary engine package right at Merchant Navy Decoded, where and $3,000 you can see all that is happening in generator. You can learn at least theoretical part which will help you with the practical aspects. But at my time I did not have the sense nor have the courage, and neither had such kind of platforms, right? So today we have. But anyways, when I went on ship, I had pretty bad time because my chief engineer was very senior, and within 3 days he called the company side and said, किस गधे को भेज दिया है जहाज पे, इसको वापस बुलाओ, पता नहीं है जहाज कितना खराब है. बट द कंपनी का कैडेट था, कंपनी बोला साहब हमारे कैडेट अब तो ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा. वेल, ऑल आई हैड वाज हार्ड वर्क एंड हार्ड वर्क. So my chief here made me slog, and I just kept slogging for the next 5 months. But at the end of the day, he told me after 5 months that yes, you were a good fourth, and that made a lot more sense because by that time, after slogging for so long, I had become much more confident and better. Yes, not in terms of learning reading manuals, but in terms of I knew that hard work can turn your fortune. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So without wasting any time, let's talk about duties of a fourth engineer. Fourth engineer, third engineer, officers in the engine room department of ship. ये तो हमें पता ही है. After MEO class for exam, you guys are junior engineer watchkeeper or fourth engineer. Next slide please. So duties में क्या आता है? Must keep chief engineer fully informed about any concerns regarding the responsibilities. नहीं आता कंप्रेसर पे काम करना, please tell sir I'm reading manuals, can you help me first time, next I will see. हो सकता है नहीं आता, but don't shy away from saying that. Share your problems. Understand, first time as fourth engineer you can say कि सर मुझे नहीं आता है, but second time as fourth engineer you say कि सर मुझे कंप्रेसर पे काम करना नहीं आता है, then you are gone. that will not be taken as a good thing. Okay. Fourth thing, you have to carry out watch keeping as per schedule and assist in engine room during maneuvering. Very normal thing. Watch keeping, maneuvering with chief engineer is important. You have to do it. Next slide, please. Maintenance duties of fourth engineer. Okay, यहाँ पर देखते हैं क्या क्या duties हैं fourth engineer की. Main auxiliary emergency compressor control system. So any compressor on board ship, whether main air compressors, whether deck air compressor, emergency air compressor, control air compressor, are the duties of whom? Fourth engineer. चलो जी मेंटेन करना है. Then comes fuel oil and lube oil purifiers. One machinery which tortures me a lot till today. कभी कभी आज भी सपने आते हैं purifier के. So this is very big responsibility, and that is why I created this achiever package where I made these tons of videos on purifier on board ship as a chief engineer. After reading that alpha level कि क्या होता है purifier, कैसे काम करते हैं, they will help you guys. Then fuel oil transfer system and equipment. Yes, very important कि कहाँ transfer कर रहे हो, कैसे कर, even sludge transfer. Then even running of incinerator, burning sludge, maintaining, taking soundings and maintaining records for the help of chief engineer for the oil record book. Sewage treatment plant, pumps and piping system, yes, they come under fourth engineer, they show, but generally when it comes to sewage plant, it goes to third engineer, and pumps and piping system generally second year gets involved because pumps is not a small, if it's a small pump, okay, fourth engineer can go and open up a fitter, but if it's a big pump, you need second year other people out there as well. Other auxiliary machine engine room, not to talk about much. Testing of engine room blowers and funnel flaps. Every Saturday, fourth year has got a duty to go and test the blower flaps and funnel flaps. Very, very important. Other duties as well. So this is it from my end for the duties of a fourth engineer. Do we have anything else remaining? Yes. Fourth year engineer have to assist in bunkering. So each day fourth year goes, takes sounding and tell कि भैया कितना oil consume हो गया है. He has to fill a Excel sheet telling कि भैया this much oil is remaining. Taking weekly soundings as well. Reporting it to chief engineer, how much is there, how much is left in, are we on the right track, are we reporting right thing to the company, everything. So bunkers is chief engineer and fourth engineer's baby. Fourth year makes any mistake, chief engineer also gets screwed along with that. Fourth engineer have to maintain plant maintenance schedules and machinery history records, not very important. Basically any records related to any records, main air compressors, purifiers are being maintained by fourth engineers. They need to make inventory and prepare requisition for spare parts for equipment under their charge. Now since the fourth are looking after compressor and purifier, so anything wrong or any spare parts are not there, so he is making a requisition and then sharing with chief. कि सर मैंने requisition बना दी, you check and then share it to the company so that we can get these spares. Copied. Spares क्या हैं? Suppose this is a phone and there is a battery inside. So if this battery is getting kharab, is getting damaged, we need a new one. So that is a spare battery. So you are smart when you know कि यार this battery is going to get damaged in within 3 days. So why not take a new battery right now? Whenever it gets damaged, I'll replace it. So that is how you order spares or order a battery. It comes and then you have it, and when the problem happens, you just replace it. Copy it, guys. They also have to assist in fuel and lube oil transfer and maintain records. Copy it, guys. So any transfers, whether sludge also, fourth union is there. Okay. I hope you like the video, guys. Fourth union is responsibility is huge because he is there to learn. Just be honest. Just keep sticking. You might be lucky to find good maritime leaders and you might be very unfortunate to find some bad maritime leaders. But don't feel that you are unfortunate because अगर आपको खराब चीफ ईयर सेकेंड ईयर्स मिलते हैं वो भी आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाते हैं क्या क्या नहीं करना है. बट रिमेंबर अगर आपको काम नहीं आता है और आप घबरा गए और आप सीखना नहीं चाहते हैं आपका कुछ नहीं हो सकता है. Copy it. So keep hanging, keep learning. And if you got any problem, please mail us at teammerchantmdcoders@gmail.com. Please share or please follow me at Chief Engineer Pranit on Instagram and WhatsApp at this number if you got any query. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di.